Moonage Daydream by David Bowie. We have 2 bar chords in this song, but I'm going to show you how we can do beginner-friendly open chord versions of those, meaning that anyone really following my channel should be able to learn this song. Quality Bowie song. Let me give you a quick example of what we're going to be learning right now. That's an example of the verse, and basically the rest of the song is very similar to that, somewhat simplified, somewhat variations of, but that's the bare bones of it. The 2 bar chords were the B minor chord and the F sharp chord. So this B minor, we can play as a B minor 7, and we can just lift off that first finger to play the B minor 7 over here. So that's any time you have a B minor in a song, but especially in these keys like the key of D and the key of G, you can play this version of it, which is like an A major, first finger up, third finger down, and we'd lift it off to do the move for this particular song. F sharp, we can, I can't help but think of the Tim Minchin song F sharp. Have you guys heard that? F sharp. We have, where's the bar chord? And then an F dominant 7, if we just play this kind of like we'd play an F chord, like an F major 7 moved up, this makes it an F sharp dominant 7, perfect for this song. Squawking like a pink monkey bird, and I'm busting out my brains for words. So you've got those couple of options. I'll show them again, but the bare bones of the song is it's a D power chord to do this epic intro. Played on electric guitar on the original, but it's just 2 chords of it. It's just the... So that's a 5th fret, root 5, which means the root note here is the D note on string 5, power chord, which means this shape. Otherwise known as a D5. So 5th fret and 7th fret. Strum it twice. Really cool effect. Give it a slight drag down, just slightly, and then relax the pressure as you go down, just to give it a little bit of swagger. And then the same thing at the 2nd fret on string 6, which is a F sharp power chord. D5, F sharp 5, and then I'm going to now demo the bar chord way of doing this. You can always choose to do the B minor 7 version, the open chord way, but we got B minor, then we move this first finger to the 2nd fret, and make sure we don't have the E string ringing out, but we do want that E string ringing out for the next chord, which is an E7. So we've done a lot there, so let's just have a recap. D5, I'm an alligator, I'm a mama papa coming for you, I'm a space invader, I'll be a rock and rolling bitch for you. G major, keep your mouth shut. D major, then we have this F sharp. We can do the F sharp bar chord, but I really like this F sharp dominant 7th. And then the same move again, the B minor with the over there, and then to E or E7. After those first 2 power chords, the strumming pattern we're going to go for is just down, down, up, and just repeating that. For example, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Keep your mouth shut, walking like a pink monkey bird. We'll have a full playthrough in a second. Let's just cover what the chorus is. Pretty straightforward. G major, D major, and E major throughout. So this is G, D, E, G, ray gun to my head. G, D, E, and then to finish just D major, freak out in a moonage daydream, oh yeah. And we're back to the verse again. The only other section is a descending pattern through B minor, A major, G, and then F sharp. This is that part. So that's B minor, 3, 4, A major, G, and then F sharp. That happens twice. Remember, you can play an A major with one finger. I like to do that sometimes. And then we'd be back to the chorus that also ends the song. The chord sheet that I'm following here, I will link to in the description below, where you'll also find details of some of my courses. It's the Improver course that would be perfect for this level. There's 11 backing tracks that you can practice jamming along to with that one. That includes power chords, bar chords, electric and acoustic guitar, and the Guitar Improver course is something that if you wanted more help with this song, that's where I'd be sending you to recommend from my stuff anyway. But let's have a look at this one, guys. Starting with those power chords in 2, 3, 4. I'm an alligator. I'm a mama, papa coming for you. I'm a space invader. And to G major. Your mouth shut. You're squawking like a pet monkey bird, and I'm busting out my brains for words. And then we're on the chorus. Keep your electric eye on me, babe. G, D, E, G, D, E, D major. Freak out in a moonage daydream, oh yeah. Don't fake it, baby. Lay the real thing on me. The church of man love is such a holy place to be. Make it, baby. Make it like you really care. Make me jump in the air. And we're back to the chorus. G, D, E. To my head. Press your space face close to mine, love. Freak out in a moonage daydream, oh yeah. And we're on the solo, so this is B minor. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same again. Chorus 2, 3, 4. Keep your electric eye on me, babe. Put your ray gun to my head. Press your space face close to mine, love. Freak out in the moonage daydream, oh yeah. And then that end in B minor again, it's the solo. And we'll finish on that F sharp. And the song just fades out. There we go, guys. Again, that Andy Guitar Improver course is what I would recommend for the bar chords, power chords, and also this playing along to full songs. Structure gets a bit more trickier from improver to intermediate level. We got different structures happening, and my play along jam tracks will really help you with that. Links below. I'll leave a couple of other links on screen now that I think you might enjoy. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.